Hey guys, it's your girl J6. Welcome to my channel. I'm already eating starting. Before I forget, like my channel, subscribe, share. I have some corn, crawfish, crab claws, potatoes, baby clams, scallops, and shrimp. I don't know what is that off of this. Starving. Let's see if I can reach it. I'm always trying to try something new. That ain't really new. It's just packaged new. This sorry. This is, what is it? Minute corn on the cob. And it says it heats in the microwave for 2 minutes. But I just, be honest, I just threw it on top of my seafood. But it's pretty good. It's sweet too. Now I picked this up at Walmart. Noisey's background. Crawfish. This crawfish from Walmart was pretty good. I was so hungry, I'm eating them before I finish. Starving. I have not eaten today, and it's like 13 after 6. Ain't no more. Here, want some of this? Yeah. I gotta do my stuff at late night because I can't. Crab claws. This is hard.
I got some corn. Mama, can I have a corn?
Of course you can. Interrupting me? How? Yeah, yes you can, miss.
Yes.
And then here's another product. I got some Ferraro's at a local grocery store. Simply Orange. It has banana in it, and it tastes pretty good.
I got banana. So you came out.
I'll drink this whole thing by myself. Corn.
Corn. Just like.
Went to Lighthouse Seafood in New York. Got my lobster fries. I got some chicken. Wasn't too, but their cabbage was different. They cooked their cabbage in butter. Like, I never heard that. It was blank. It was good though. Oh Lord. Yeah, but mad butter. Mad butter. The first one I tasted, I didn't know what to think of it. We might keep tasting it. We got the peppers in it. And some baby clams. Got the shrimp.
I go to the channel.
Don't forget to like my channel, share, and also subscribe. I'll be having some good content, but I'm not trying to get no points against me, strikes against me for other people's music. I wonder if they give me strikes against me if I use my son's music. It's his own Probably.
He's my son?
You have a son?
I am.
You're my son. I'm talking about kid.
Come to me. Come to me. Yeah. Super SpongeBob senses. My spidey senses.
I'm tired. I wish I need to get something where I could just have a little platform and where y'all could see it. These are little scouts I ever saw in my life.
You eat seafood? Yeah.
They're so small, I just was seeing what I had. I didn't even want to pick them up. They mad small. Look at this. That's crazy.
It's me, my
They look different in the bag.
So different. Hi guys. Yes.
Always want to go against the grain. You don't win. Oh, what?
My spider wants it. Okay, Ellen. Hi, Dad. Spider-Man's Dad.
Eat your food.
But I think it's hot.
Cameron, you want your food? Huh? Cameron, you want your food?
My spider senses. I'm not the spider senses. What is your doing? Here, Mom. Here.
Oh, thank you.
Mama, Cameron got my shit. You're my spider senses.
Bye, Cam. I'm
My
recording.
spider senses. My spider senses.
Go in there, yo. Bye. Cameron, go in there. I'm recording.
Super spider senses. Spider-Man.
Tell this kid he ain't Spider-Man. Like, that's one thing when I buy them Halloween costumes, they get they freaking. I get my money's worth because they, man, 365 around this house, Spider-Man or whatever character they put it on. Potatoes. I can't believe how small these scallops are. I don't really care for these crab claws. They're hard. Oh, you know why? These are the Dungeness crab. Them junks is hard. I don't even know how I'm going to get into this. My scissors going to break. I'm tired. I like these from the Ferraros for $2.99. Come like 20 in a pack, I think. I might be stretching it. Maybe 15. Who knows? You know what I hate? We went to the Lighthouse place seafood, so if you say filet sandwich, that's what I expect to get. Now when you chomp down at something that got bones, that make me so mad. How you ain't even trying to mess with the rest of the sandwich because you're scared you're gonna get a bone? They got bones in it, damn. I could have been, you can give it to a kid, like, you lying, saying, like, know your shit when you work. I'm sorry, excuse me for cussing, but know your stuff when you working somewhere. Just telling somebody, yeah, don't even know what you know. I hate bones in fish. That's why I order filet. But I guess that was a lesson learned. So yeah, I'm about to wrap this up. But don't forget to try these products if you in Walmart. I don't know if they, I don't even know if these out yet, but and that Simply Orange Banana. So like my channel, share my channel, subscribe to my channel, and comment below. Say how you like it, what I can do better. Nah, I really don't care. Just comment, say hi. Don't tell me what I can do. Bye, y'all.